Welcome to my fish room. Alcohol in the morning.
Yeah, but it's an awful big hole there.
Yeah, this liner's completely brittle.
Yeah.
Like, feel this?
I think.
Do you got a washcloth or a J-cloth or anything like that that you can forget about forever? Good.
If that was me, I'd replace that liner.
This is cheaper.
Huh?
This is cheaper.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna friggin' last.
It'll last for these ones.
Carl, I've got a lot of experience with this liner, you know.
Yeah, so do I.
If you don't get the dampness out of it, it stuff ain't gonna stick.
The alcohol.
All right. It's got 2 holes in it.
Yeah, there's one over here too.
Oh, that's where you line it. That's where it's leaking. There.
Yeah, well, because there was all algae behind the.
How old is this pond anyhow?
She figures at least 12 years.
12?
Yeah.
That line is finished. That's done.
Well, not as long as you don't put a hole in it.
It's done. I don't care. It's done.
You're pessimistic, though.
I'm not.
Oh, yes, you are.
Talking from experience. Experience is the best thing.
Experience makes you pessimistic? Okay.
You can replace this for about $300.
Replace this pond?
The liner.
The liner? No, it costs. It's
No.
like 85 cents a square foot.
Cheap.
So figure out.
No, you can get it cheaper than that.
Humber Nursery sells it for 85.
No,
That's
I don't
the
go.
cheapest.
No, I don't go up there.
Oh,
They're
I
expensive.
think, my husband bought this at Home Depot.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's good quality.
And you know what caused that? I can tell you exactly what caused that. Because this liner doesn't have a backing, doesn't have a liner behind it.
Uh-huh.
See, it's just got sand in behind it.
That's right. The
Yeah,
lime and the acid in the soil is eating through that.
No, it isn't.
The earth is,
Yes, it is.
It's the ultraviolet rays of the sun.
No,
No,
no.
there's not acid in our soil.
I'm not going to argue with you.
The earth is
I've learned a
very-
long
You
time
always
ago.
argue with me.
No,
What do
I've
you
learned a
mean
long
you're
time
not
ago
gonna-
you don't argue with Carl. He's
Well, because
always
Carl's
right.
right.
That's right.
The earth is very sandy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's trying to say there's acid in the earth, and that's eating away at the
It
PVC.
is. You've got acid in the soil.
No, it's
Yes, you do.
Well, you're supposed to have for
Exactly.
good, for good
It's
plant
not
growth.
that
Yeah,
acidic.
yes, ma'am. That's You are exactly
if I
right.
sit
Yeah.
on
You're
the
right.
ground and my bare bum touches the ground, it doesn't eat a hole in me.
No,
But stay there long enough.
there has to be a balance.
That's right.
Acidic, yeah.
You got lime in that soil.
Lime is alkaline, it's not acid.
It's lime.
Lime is alkaline.
So lots of towels and stuff here. Use them to your heart's content.
Got calcium.
Calcium is not acidic or alkaline.
I'm telling you what's in it. I'm not telling you what it is.
I want to see.
Oh, do you want to put the power head in the barrel and plug it in?
Who, me? You wait until I get over here to tell me that?
Oh, I don't know if you two are going to get along.
No, we don't.
No.
He thinks he's right, and I
Where
know
is it,
I'm
Carl?
right.
Which one? Oh,
Right
Carl,
there.
pass me that power head there, please. Carl, there's only one plug here. You finished with that one over there?
Yes. See, as long as he accepts that I'm right,
No, I don't. That's the problem.
Yeah, but I am right.
I don't. But I let
whether
him
or not
think
you
so.
agree with me doesn't mean I'm not right.
I let him think so. It makes him feel good. Carl, can any way you shove that cord over to me? Not got much room, is it?
What do you need here?
I need some
We
cord.
need a power cord, so if you can pull that out of the way.
Can you pull that any further?
Well,
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
what? We're pulling it out of the wall?
No,
Oh,
over there.
it's going all through the garden.
The plug.
Plug.
I want to use the plug.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You got a rock work on it too. Just a minute. Okay. Pull a little
How
more.
much more do you need?
It just has to reach, because we just gotta put a pump in with your fish.
Okay. It's got to be far enough.
Is that it?
Has to be.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. It all has to be put back.
You're gonna spill your alcohol there, Carl.
Put it behind that rock so it doesn't knock any of that stuff in.
Oh, boy, well, reach. Carl. Man,
I'm impatient.
I've got 2 hands.
Yeah, but I'm impatient.
Okay. All right. It's okay.
There.
It's okay there. We're in the way now.
My alcohol in.
Oh, it's cracking almost.
Well, that's why I'm going to reinforce it with the cloth.
What cloth are you talking
This
about?
cloth.
Yeah, there's lots of variety.
Can you give me a pair of scissors?
You don't have no tools.
I got scissors in the truck. I got about 10 pair. Which is easier, looking in my truck to try to find them, or asking the nice person to give me some scissors?
I must have lost my pen, Gloria.
I got pens in the truck too,
Oh no.
but I'd still borrow one because it's less effort than looking.
I know.
This is where the garbage will go. Don't be a George now.
I'd known you would do this. I would have bought the drill and got it with the wire, the drill and the wire.
See, there's another rock here. And then,
This is okay. Give me that. Carl, you finished with me for a little bit?
Yes, I have no
Okay,
use
thank
for you.
Thank you.
Just got to get all the remnants of the other stuff off first.
It only looks that way.
yeah.
Right. This
They
here.
look like lilies.
Yeah, the white one. Leave it blank.
Now you don't. Now you don't have to feed them, no? You do? Oh, what are they?
They're filter feeders. There's stuff you put in the water.
Uh-huh.
Goes through the filters.
Oh. There's a blue.
Here, cut it off. And I remove it. Drill it.
Okay, scissors.
I have these fish laying. That's my filter.
Did you see where she put the scissors? Whereabouts would the scissors be?
What?
Scissors? You got me some scissors?
No, you
Oh.
didn't ask for them.
Oh yeah. Can you give me some scissors?
What are you going to cut with them?
The cloth, just to make it the right
Oh.
size. So what we'll do is we'll put some Zavlar on it, put the cloth on it, and then saturate the cloth with Zavlar again.
See, I would have used a nylon for that.
Nylon? No, the cloth is thicker.
You know that mash they use for fiberglass?
Yeah?
Perfect.
Cloth works just as well for the rubber because it holds it there and makes it a thicker layer. Remember, I'm always right. You always think you're right.
I'm not saying anything. I haven't said
Carl's right.
I
Yay!
haven't said a word. These clowns.
Oh, look at them. And they, oh.
That's not the end. You're going to see them laying. Laying eggs. Next scene. These are new ones I just got. Pulsating. Carl, what do you call those pulsating?
Zinnia.
Zinnia. They pulsate. Constantly pulsating.
Well, there's an easy way to tell if you're low on iodine, they stop pulsing.
There was, his stopped pulsing the other day.
Yeah?
You have to tell him about that.
Yeah, because